Is my screen is appearing to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, Sunil, we can.
yeah, good morning everyone. So today I'm going to present presentation giving towards SAP FICO, especially global settings. So from starting to ending, if you want to post any transaction and if you want to extract any financial statements, enterprise structure and global settings, all the configurations are required, and all these configurations which are interlinked to each other. If you miss any configuration, you cannot extract, you cannot either post the document, you cannot either post the transaction, or you cannot extract financial statements. So today I'm going to explain global settings. Yeah, I'm going to explain these seven configurations in this session. The first one is maintain fiscal year variant, and the second one is assign company code to fiscal year variant. The third one is define posting period variance. Fourth one is opening and closing posting periods. Fifth one is posting period variant to company code. And sixth one is field status variant. And the last one is assign company code to field status variant. Yes. What is meant by fiscal year variant? The T code is OB29. Here in my screen, it's clearly updated as OB29. So the fiscal year variant is nothing but we are defining the posting periods and the special posting periods for each fiscal year. And also the major important thing here is we can the fiscal year may differ from country to country. For example, if you take the Indian financial year, it starts from April to March. So if you take any other country like China, it starts from January to December. So the same point I mentioned here, and also the main important thing here is year shift indicates if your fiscal year of posting period is different to the calendar year. I'm going to show you the next slide. So here I'm clearly mentioned in SAP, it's must and should we are going to define 12 posting periods along with 4 special posting periods. These 4 special posting periods we can use at the time of if there are any issues in SAP, we cannot able to post the transaction during that time. We can use special posting period, and also for tax purpose also. I have already created the variant as SC, which is highlighted here. I copied this variant from V3. Yes, if you look at the screen, I have already mentioned that my variant is SC, and also here it's clearly visible April to March and 4 special periods. So our financial year starts with April. That's why the period posting period is visible as 1. And what is meant by year shift here? The posting period 10, 11, and 12, it falls in the year 2023. So that's why it is showing all these 3 posting periods as -1. If you create fiscal year variant from January to December, you may not find these year shift details. This is the period text. Sorry, this is the periods which is highlighted here. If you want to show period text, it's clearly visible. See, as discussed earlier, if you look at the first posting period, it is showing month 4. It is the same indication is available here, April. The 11th posting period, 10, 11, 12. All these 3 posting periods, it falls under 2023 year. That's why we are going to call it as year shift. This is called fiscal year variant. Next T code is OB37. Assign company code to fiscal year. Whatever you have already created fiscal year variant. So we are going to assign our company code to fiscal year variant. So I have already created fiscal year variant. So just the T code is OB37. So just go to position and just you enter your company code. It will pop up the screen like this. Whatever you have already created the fiscal variant name, just enter SC and click on save button. So the linking will happen between fiscal year variant to company code. The T code is OB37. The next configuration is define posting period variant. The T code is OBBO. SAP FS period variant. Posting period variant is used to maintain accounting periods that are opening for posting and closed period are balanced. So in this configuration, we are going to create just a variant name. We are giving one variant name. The T code is OBBO, and once if you click on new entries, it will allow you to enter the name, variant, and also the name. I have given my posting period variant as SUNV, and I have clearly mentioned posting period variant for my company code SUN. In this configuration, we are just giving a particular name, and the T code is OBBO. Yes. And the next configuration here is OB52. Here, what is the use of OB52? Because we are going to define opening and closing posting periods. So the T code is OB52, and I have clicked on new entries, then it will allow you to enter posting periods. If you look at the third slide here, where I have placed the cursor, I have already in the previous screen, whatever I have created the variant, I have used here only. What is meant by plus symbol? If you elaborate this, it will show like this. A means assets, D means customers, K for vendors, M for material, S for GL accounts. So my period start from April to March. So I have allocated 1 to 12 from 22 to 23 fiscal year, because my fiscal year variant is V3. I have copied from V3, and also I have allocated another four special periods from 13 to 16. It falls in the year 2023 2023. So the same I have elaborated in the next screen as I have elaborated each and every individual account. This this configuration is assign posting period variant to company code. Whatever we have created posting period variant, just I'm going to assign my company code to that. I'm just linking. So the T code is OBBP, and click on position. As soon as you click on position, it will allow you to enter company code. Once if you enter the company code, it will pop up like this. So just enter your posting period variant, SUNV, whatever we have created earlier, the posting periods. Yes, the next configuration is field status variant, OBC4. Field status variant is used to define the fields which are used for input like cost center, profit center, plant, etc. And especially here, which fields are required, which fields are not required at the time of posting. We can configure here itself. By using this variant, we can view the options as suppress, required, and optional. The T code is OBC4. I am showing here the T code OBC4. Here also I have copied the already existing variant. From 0001 I have created SFSV, field status variant. After creating field status variant, if you click on field status group, it will show this screen Z001. Once if you double click on this, it will allow you to look into all these details, and wherever highlighted is here in blue color, you can update the required fields. If suppress means the field itself not visible at the time of posting. If you select an option as required until you enter some text, it won't allow you to post. Optional means if you enter or not, the system will allow you to enter postings. And after creation of field status variant, and I'm going to assign my company code to field status variant. The T code is OBC5. So I have already created field status variant. Now I'm going to just assign my company code to field status variant. click on position, then it will allow you to enter your company code. As soon as you enter your company code, select your company code and enter field status variant SFSV.
Sunil, nice presentation here.
Oh, thanks a lot.